In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard and fix keyboard. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when your laptop keyboard completely stops responding or keys start outputting scrambled symbols, the issue is rarely broken hardware. Instead, it's almost always caused by a frozen keyboard driver controller, a stuck filter key software rule, or a glitched language layout setting inside Windows 11. So the first thing you want to do is click the start menu and then go over to your settings gear icon. Then go to accessibility, and then on the right side, you're going to see a lot of different options right here, but go over to keyboard. If you have filter keys or sticky keys enabled, go ahead and turn them off completely. And as that could be like one of the things that is causing the issue. Now, if the keyboard is completely dead and unlit, the system's core communication driver fail has corrupted inside your memory lanes. So what you want to do is right click your Windows icon and then go over to device manager. Now, once you're here, go ahead and find the keyboards drop down menu. And then from here, all you want to do is right click whatever keyboard you have that it shows, and then you're going to click uninstall device. Now that your keyboard's completely gone, Windows is automatically going to rebuild a clean factory fresh version of your file on your next boot cycle. So once your keyboard's gone, then go to your Windows icon and then go ahead and restart your PC, and then that should work for you. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, what you could also finally do is execute a full driver initialization reboot. Click your start menu, click the physical power icon, like so, and then go ahead and click restart. Let the laptop shut down completely and spin its cooling fans back up to initialize the fresh hardware drivers.